Welcome to the best picks. The best finger sleeves is probably one of the most underrated yet essential accessories for anyone who spends a significant amount of time using touchscreens, whether for gaming, creative work, or even just everyday navigation. These seemingly simple pieces of fabric can dramatically enhance your user experience by providing a smoother glide, reducing friction, and preventing those annoying smudges and fingerprints that accumulate on your screen, ensuring a consistently clean and responsive interface for all your digital interactions. Number 5. Flents Protechs Finger and Toe Protectors, 40 count. These finger covers offer a strong, tear-resistant design. They are perfect for applying ointments or protecting wounds and bandages, ensuring hygiene and keeping dressing securely in place. Applying them is a breeze, just roll the covering down for quick, mess-free use. They effectively shield blisters, burns, scrapes, and stitches from moisture and dirt. Made from flexible rubber, these stretch to fit most finger and toe sizes comfortably. The durable material won't crack or tear, and assorted sizes ensure a secure fit for everyone. They provide an essential secondary layer for minor injuries and bandages. They're also fantastic for crafters, protecting fingertips during detailed projects like sewing or quilting. We believe in common-sense health solutions that empower you. Feel better and get back to doing what you love with confidence. What we like. These are incredibly durable and come in multiple sizes for a great fit. If you need reliable protection for wounds, applying ointments, or even for detailed crafting, these are a solid choice. They offer robust protection against moisture and dirt, making them ideal for first aid and everyday minor injuries. What people say. The rubber feels strong but flexible, and they stay in place without slipping off. They protect cuts or cover fingers well, and they're comfortable enough to wear for a while. These Cots are wonderful for protecting your fingers from dirt or when washing your hands keeps that finger cut dry. Works for what I need. I get small cuts on my fingertips and thumb from work. The material feels like it is a good quality. Number 4. Mr. Pen Hot Glue Gun Finger Protectors. Introducing our innovative finger protectors, designed to keep your fingers safe during various crafting and DIY projects. This package includes 24 pieces for your convenience. Crafted from high-quality, flexible silicone, these protectors offer a comfortable fit without restricting your fingers' natural movement. They are easy to put on and take off, suitable for most individuals. Each set comes with 3 different sizes, ensuring a perfect fit for your thumb, index, and middle fingers. You can easily choose the correct size for optimal comfort and protection. These versatile finger guards are ideal for a wide range of tasks, including working with hot glue, wax, adhesives, sewing, and even typing. They provide essential protection against potential injuries. Cleaning is a breeze. Simply wash them with soap and water, then wipe them dry for reuse. Enjoy long-lasting protection and convenience with these durable finger protectors. What we like. Made from flexible silicone, these are designed for comfort and ease of use. If you're working with hot glue, adhesives, or engaging in detailed crafts where finger protection is key, these are perfect. They offer a snug fit without hindering dexterity and are easily washable for reuse. What people say. They are thin enough so you don't really notice that you're wearing them. They work great for hot glue gun protection and for lots of stuff. Good grip. Parts don't slide out of my fingers when I'm grinding. Number 3. Soft Gel Finger Cots, 14 PCS. Experience ultimate comfort with our premium gel finger cots. Made from durable, high-quality gel, they offer a secure, second skin fit that's completely allergy-free. Find immediate relief and protection for your fingers. These sleeves shield against irritation, pressure, and rubbing, perfect for various conditions. Customize the fit with ease, simply trim them to your desired length. They provide essential protection during physical activities and daily tasks for everyone. Upgrade your finger care with these advanced sleeves. Enriched with vitamin E, they soothe and moisturize while offering gentle warmth and joint support. You'll receive 14 short gel finger cots. Plus, enjoy our 18-month worry-free after-sale service and dedicated customer support. What we like. These offer instant relief and soothing protection with their soft gel material. If you suffer from conditions like trigger finger, arthritis, or cracked skin and need gentle support and moisturization, these are an excellent option. They are designed to feel like a second skin and can be trimmed for a custom fit. What people say. It really helped this winter when I had a huge crack in my thumb cuticle. Every time I put it underwater it would sting, so this really helped to protect it. They work great, and he and my nephew who fishes with my son both are wearing them, and there are no more bites and no more cuts. They're durable, fit great, and reusable. This was the closest thing I could find. TLDR, these work fine, I can still write with them on and they cushion the sore spots well. Number 2. JADE KIT Cut Resistant Finger Cots. Introducing the JADE KIT Finger Cots, designed for superior protection. These cut-resistant protectors offer a durable and comfortable solution for various tasks. Crafted with HPPE material, these finger guards provide 5 levels of cut resistance. They are breathable, durable, and easy to clean for long-lasting use. Perfect for kitchen tasks like cutting food, these protectors shield your fingers from accidental cuts and abrasions. They are ideal when you need precision without compromising safety. Made from breathable fabric, these finger cots ensure comfort even during extended wear. They prevent moisture buildup, unlike traditional options. These protectors can be worn inside or outside your gloves to extend their lifespan. They add comfort and protection, making your existing gloves last longer. Beyond the kitchen, they are suitable for building, gardening, sculpture, and DIY projects. Use sharp tools with confidence, knowing your fingers are protected. What we like. Featuring advanced cut-resistant material, these offer superior protection against sharp objects. If you're working in a kitchen, doing DIY projects, or any task involving potential cuts, these are a must-have. They provide excellent safety without sacrificing breathability and can even extend the life of your regular gloves. What people say. These JADE KIT cut-resistant protectors work perfectly. They're comfortable to wear, fit well, and really protect your hands when using knives or sharp tools. The material feels durable and easy to clean. Just what I needed to protect my fingertips. They're comfortable and even kind of cute. My fingers still have full range of motion and stopped getting cut or stabbed when I do needlework. Saves fingers from glass cuts while grinding stained glass. Number 1. Evridwear Cotton Finger Cots, Short Length. These are ideal for covering minor wounds, cuts, or splints during the healing process. They help minimize irritation and exposure, promoting a cleaner and more comfortable recovery. Made from 100% soft cotton, they offer excellent breathability and moisture retention. They are perfect for use with ointments or creams to help treat dry, cracked fingers. The soft, stretchy cotton material ensures a snug yet comfortable fit. Wear them under work gloves to reduce irritation from seams or rough fabrics. These are useful for light manual tasks where local protection is needed, like woodworking, crafts, or gardening. They also help prevent finger contact for those trying to stop nail biting. When a full glove isn't needed, these reusable sleeves provide just the right amount of coverage, protection, and comfort. They save you time and money. What we like. Crafted from 100% soft cotton, these are exceptionally breathable and moisture-wicking. If you have dry, cracked skin, eczema, or need a comfortable layer for wound recovery, these are ideal. They provide a gentle fit and are perfect for use with ointments or creams to soothe and heal. What people say. They are very well made and quite thick, and the fit is snug but not too tight. There is actually a small band inside near the end to help keep them on. These saved me. I have contact dermatitis from nail products. My fingertips and nail beds hurt so bad and these helped with healing. I wash when dirty. They fit perfectly. These are hands down the best protection for a finger cut. I had to get stitches on my pointer finger due to a deep knife cut. These went right over my bandaging and gave extra cushion while still allowing full movement. I was also surprised that it still kept dirt out even though it is cotton. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.